No, Jesse. Yeah, it don't take long to get really brown. And you got to flip it over. I did the same thing the other day.
Well, they stuck to the
Tinfoil. Now YouTube, let me tell you world, this is a thing I never thought I would ever see coming. My wife took over the cooking. I get to sit back and relax after 6 years. And we're supposed to do this full time come March.
yeah, whatever.
Y'all gonna see a smile on my face. I'm gonna get the RV all done up and everything on my part. I'm gonna sit back, kick my feet up, watch TV, and just have the good life. Let the old lady take over all the cooking and cleaning. I've done it for 6 years now. I get to sit back for a few years while we RV and let her do it. Just thought I'd put a little video out there in the YouTube world. Hallelujah. Never thought I'd see this day. Let's see if we can get 1 million views on this. As Kevin would say, I guess this is where we'll sign off.